Welcome back to the Von Regan kitchen, and we're cooking today Asian sesame noodle salad. I love this recipe for barbecues, and we're having a barbecue tomorrow, so it's perfect timing to cook this recipe and to video it for you, my family. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back. And let me tell you a little bit about my channel. This channel is about all things beauty, health, and wealth. My name is Teresa Von Regan, and I'm a mother of 5, and I love to cook, I love makeup, and I love dabbling in wealth tips. Let's jump right into our recipe. So first, we're gonna make the dressing in this stainless steel bowl that I love. You can reference the set in the description of this stainless steel set of bowls I love to use and pick them up on Amazon. There's 5 ingredients in this Asian noodle dressing. It's tamari, which is a gluten-free type of soy sauce that's less salty too and better for you, balsamic vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and then this hot chili oil. So we're gonna dump them all in the bowl and mix them up. Now it's gonna seem a little grainy with the sugar. You just wanna keep mixing until that sugar dissolves and it becomes all one liquid together. Now that our dressing is all mixed up, it's time to pull in our pasta. So I cooked 1 pound of pasta earlier. I let it chill. You can actually serve this dish hot or cold, and you can serve it with any type of pasta. If you like a gluten-free pasta, a wheat pasta, if you like a vegan pasta, whatever type of pasta you like. I just have a plain old pasta here. That's what my family loves. You're gonna dump your dressing in. After pouring the dressing in, we're gonna put all our vegetables in and then our protein. So I have green onions, carrots, you can see the green onions, tomatoes cut into thirds, grape tomatoes, fresh cilantro, 1 pepper, this was a greenish orange pepper, sesame seeds, and then you can add any protein you want, or you can leave the protein out. We've done this recipe with steak, we've done this recipe with shrimp. Today we're putting some marinated chicken. We're gonna just dump them all in. And mix all this deliciousness together. Now this nice big stainless bowl that I'm mixing in is also part of the set that I did the dressing in. I mixed the dressing in. And what I love about this is it's a nice large bowl that I can mix any salad in, and I don't have to worry about it tossing it over the sides. And this is a great recipe also just to have for dinner. It has your protein in it, all your veggies, and then you get a little of those carbohydrates. You can serve this on a plate or in a bowl. I'm serving it on my favorite French pearl Lennox set. I like to serve it with tongs and a spoon so you can get all the veggies and the goodness. Sometimes the spoon just gets a big heaping helping of the pasta. Now for the moment of truth. How good is this? Delicious. This is hitting the spot. I didn't eat lunch yet, and it's well past lunchtime, so I'll be gobbling up this whole plate. I want to thank you for tuning in to Teresa Von Regan's channel of beauty, health, and wealth. Thank you for being part of the family, and if you're not part of the family, smash that subscribe button, hit the like for this video, and comment below with the next cooking video you want to see. Check out my playlist of Makeup by Teresa, my other cooking, and also Teresa Educates and what's going on in stimulus, the government, and other wealth tips. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Bye for now.